Hi, folks. MaxBot is here again. You are on the channel about effective and profitable trading. I use a robot with a passability of 89 to 95% to maximize results. Now I will again make a few trades with the help of his recommendations. The first transaction I will open on the currency pair Australian, Canadian dollar. The expiry time will be 2 minutes. I will invest $600. In 2 clicks you can get a signal from the neural network. It's very fast. Higher. This is a prediction from a bot. Guys, take 3 free signals from the bot at the link in the description. There you can also buy the full version at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left. The price will go up in September. Hurry up. On the chart of historical data on the selected currency pair, we can see that during the past hour and a half sellers were a little more active in saturating the market with volumes than buyers. The price was smoothly declining, but periodically there were periods of stable consolidation. And in the last minutes the situation started to change. I think that the robot immediately noticed the trend. The price bounced from the support area on the higher. The bulls became more active and began to saturate the market with volumes of higher quality. The long flat showed that the sellers did not have much strength and the potential was lost. What can this mean? It means that within our short expiry time there is a very high probability of closing the trade higher than the entry point. I am confident that the robot will turn out to be right. We are waiting for the trade to close. And now in front of you are screenshots with testimonials from people who are 100% using MaxBot. Traders have implemented the robot into their trading strategies and get high-quality forecasts from it, and their deposits are growing. Friends, you can read all the reviews in a special Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And here are the final seconds of the deal. So, the prediction from the artificial intelligence came true. My real account received $474. That's just the first step. In the second operation I will enter on another currency pair, out of 27 variants that are available to our bot. Euro, American dollar. The expiry time will be 3 minutes, and the investment amount will be doubled, $1,200. The neural network is recommending that I enter the market lower. In the messages with the signal, the bot indicates additional information for traders, in order for you to better understand the current situation. Now the price fluctuations are reduced and the news background is soft. So, let's take another look at the historical data using the TradingView service. What can be seen on the graph? First of all, the bears became more active in the last minute and saturated the market with volumes. Secondly, an hour ago there was a downtrend, which was replaced by a half-hour dominance of the bulls. We can see several corridors in which the price was moving in a sideways movement. And now, if we look at the stochastic oscillator, we see that the market is overbought. The price has bounced off the resistance area and now it is really very likely to close the trade lower than the entry point. I believe that the robot paid attention to all these points and issued a forecast. It also uses a whole arsenal of essential tools for analytics and reactive forecasting. The developers have taught it to use technical and candlestick analysis, 30 indicators and price action. I remind you that after purchase you will be able to receive signals from MaxBot without limits. Friends, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. Meanwhile, we're watching the final seconds of the deal. The robot's analytics and my reflections proved to be correct again. That's great. $1,080 has been deposited into the account. It's time to play the final chord. I will stay on this currency pair, but I will change the settings. Time frame 1 minute. The investment amount is twice higher, $2,400. The bot scans the market in 3 seconds. Its forecast this time is higher. The news has a strong impact on this currency pair right now. Volatility is up. Friends, once again I would like to remind you that after buying this robot you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There our experienced team analyzes various market situations and shares current signals. Working on this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you almost for free. Artificial intelligence will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself almost immediately. And here comes the finale. Lateral movement higher than the entry point. The robot did everything right. Plus $2,136. In 3 operations, I earned $3,690. Would you like to do the same? Get MaxBot at the link in the description and join the team of successful traders. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and give me a like. See you again soon.